Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another watercolor review. This time up I have a metallic watercolor set from Grabie. There's 40 different metallic colors, highly pigmented, high saturation and shimmer, easy to blend. And I also have another little surprise in here. It was the watercolor months for 2025. The case is a pretty blue and purple mix here, and it has a cute little splash design on it. And it also has the hook on the back. They do include a swatch chart, which is really nice, and it has all the names of the colors written down. It's a little plastic protector here. And one really cool thing I did notice about this that I was unaware before, but all of these little individual pans do pop out really easily. They're slightly smaller than a normal size half pan, but they are full to the top, which is really nice. Everything is even, nice even pour there. But yeah, if you wanted to, you could switch around the colors, or you can take some with you and put them in a different smaller container if you'd like. The option is always nice. And then there's lots of mixing room here as well. I personally have never had anything like this before. This is really cool. So it's watercolor paper, but then you have the months and days on there, and you can create your own piece of artwork on top. And then it has a little stand there as well. The sheets are nice and thick, and then they're just plain on the back. And this stand is really easy to put together. You just line those two up and then push down the little company logo there, and then you can put your whatever month it is right here. Because these are metallic colors, I went ahead and used my water bottle and then just sprayed the entire palette. Normally I don't do that with my regular ones, but with the metallic ones, sometimes they just need a little bit more water for the activation there. So I'm just going to speed through some of these swatches here, and then I have an actual demo of some artwork as well. after digging through some of my art supplies, I found an old piece of black watercolor paper here. I don't have that much, I'll have to get some more. But yeah, I did get mine at, I think it was Michael's a long time ago. But anyways, I wanted to see how these would look on the black paper. I mostly use mine on black paper. And some of the lighter colors, especially the pearl and the golds, came out really, really nice. One is called a Summertime Twilight. We have a pretty pearl. And then the pinks as well for the roses. I used the Royal Pink, which was the deeper one in the beginning, and then some of the Peony and Barbie, the lighter pinks. And I added a second layer as well to the lighter pink here that I'm using, which was Candy Floss, just to see how well they would layer up. And then some of the greens, Bean was the bright green that I used, and I think Gem was the deeper bluish green that looked really, really pretty. When using these metallic colors, you really do have to wait until it's completely dry to see the full effect and that really nice shine that they give off. I have close-ups of both the swatches and then the actual artwork after everything is dry here in just a little bit. Overall, I think that they look really nice. This is definitely a fun set to use for all ages, no matter what you're doing. If you like to spice up your watercolors with a little bit of shimmer or your sketchbook doodles, and also if you're someone who likes to make your own cards or different types of crafts, that would be, these would be very useful as well. I'm going to leave some information and links in the description if anybody's interested. And yep, that's it for today. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.